iSupport is one of the top help desk software solutions on the market today, but before you make the decision to purchase, there are 12 key things you need to know. These insights will help you weigh your options and compare iSupport to other industry leaders. First off, iSupport's user interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is great for teams of all sizes. However, if you're used to platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk, you might find iSupport a bit more basic in comparison, especially when it comes to customization options. Next thing, iSupport offers a comprehensive ticket management system. Tickets are categorized and tracked easily, but it lacks some of the more advanced automations that competitors like ServiceNow provide. So, if your business needs highly complex workflows, you might want to think twice about iSupport. The third thing to consider is its reporting tools. iSupport provides solid reporting capabilities, but they're not as robust as those you get with Freshservice, for instance. If you're looking for in-depth analytics with advanced insights, iSupport might not fully meet your needs. The fourth thing is pricing. iSupport is known for offering flexible pricing options, which can be an advantage for small to medium businesses. However, some users report that the pricing can get expensive as your team grows, especially when compared to more scalable solutions like Zoho Desk. Another factor to consider is its customer support. iSupport provides 24/7 support, but some reviews mention that response times can vary. It's solid, but doesn't always match up to the instant chat support you get with platforms like Zendesk or LiveAgent. The sixth thing is integration. iSupport integrates well with common platforms like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office. However, its integration with third-party tools isn't as extensive as what you'll find with Help Scout or Freshdesk, which offer hundreds of integrations. Next, let's talk about the knowledge base feature. iSupport does have a knowledge base function, but it's a little more basic compared to what's available with Freshdesk or Zendesk. If you're looking to create a fully interactive, detailed knowledge base, you might find iSupport's offerings a bit lacking. The eighth thing is the mobile app iSupport offers a mobile version, but it's not as feature-rich as the apps from Zendesk or ServiceNow. So if mobile access is a top priority for your team, you may want to check out other options. The ninth thing you should know is about security. iSupport offers standard security features like SSL encryption, but its compliance with advanced industry standards, like GDPR or HIPAA, might not be as thorough as some of the more enterprise-focused solutions out there. Another key feature is multi-channel support. iSupport supports email, phone, and chat tickets, but compared to competitors like Freshservice, it doesn't quite offer the same flexibility with social media or messaging platforms. Next, iSupport's customization options are relatively limited. If you want a fully tailored system, you might feel restricted compared to something like Zoho Desk, which offers a high level of customization through workflows and automation. The 12th and final thing to know is its scalability. iSupport works well for small to medium-sized teams, but may not be as scalable for large enterprises with complex needs. Platforms like ServiceNow offer more advanced scalability for growing companies with larger support teams. So, while iSupport is a solid help desk software choice for many businesses, it's not without its limitations. It's a great solution for smaller teams or those looking for a straightforward system, but if you need more customization, advanced reporting, or seamless integration with multiple platforms, we recommend checking out our top solution that you can try for free.